point today is that new government has been formed in Delhi. And I want to congratulate the Prime Minister for his third term. And I hope he will carry this nation forward towards peace, prosperity of people, and that the rhetorics that have been done in the elections are forgotten, and that we carry every person of India, what religion he belongs to, what region he belongs to. The Prime Minister has to carry them all together. That is the message that the election has given.
As you raised a very important point about the Narendra Modi, do you think because this is the third term for PM, which type of role Narendra Modi should play to control such incidents?
I think not only these incidences, the hatred that has been created in the nation, he has to mend that hatred. That hatred has to go if this nation has to survive, and that we all can live in peace and harmony with each other. That is the nation's voice in this election, and I hope we will follow that advice.
Can we say Reasi incident indicates that the enemies are still present here?
Yes, Reasi is absolutely, they are here. You have seen this in Pooch, you have seen this in Mander. It has not died. They are still there.
How much it will affect in future, whether it is an election or...
You see, the point is not only election. I am afraid, I hope they take care of the Amarnath Yatra, that nothing like this happens. And I'll request every person of this state to see that that Yatra goes peacefully. That carries a message to all that we are not part of this terrorism, and we'll never be